Hello, hello, my name is Rebecca, and the other day I posted in my stories about how I distressed one of my brand new tees that I just bought, and I had so many of you message me asking me about it. So I thought, why not do a tutorial and show you guys exactly how I do it and show you a few different ways that you can do it as well. So check it out. Okay, we're gonna get up close for just a second because I wanna show you the detail on this one. So this is one I actually cut quite a while ago. I cut the sleeves on this one so you can see how they roll up. And then I also cut the hem, same way, cut the hem off so it rolls. Now this one I did the neck a little bit differently. So instead of cutting the seam off completely, I actually just took my scissors inside and just cut the top of it so it's open. So you can still see that distressed look, but the seam is still there, okay? Another one that I posted, this is the one I shared in my stories the other day. This is one where I cut all the seams off. So I cut the sleeves off, I cut the entire neck one off. So I love this look because it just gives a more wider neck, which again, looks a little bit more feminine, a little bit distressed. I love the feel for summer. It's just a little bit lighter and flowy. And then I also cut the bottom of this one as well. Here's another one I did a while ago. This one, again, I cut the sleeves. This one I cut the neck, but I also added a V cut in the front as well, which is really, really pretty. And then I cut the bottom too. So I'm gonna actually show you cutting one of the tees that I haven't cut yet. So this one, super soft, super comfy. Yes, it has a stain on it, so sad. But I thought this would be a good one to show you how I do it. And the different ways. You guys, it's so simple. I was so scared to cut my first t-shirt. My husband about died, but it is so cute, and it's now my very favorite way to wear t-shirts just because of the extra look and feel that it gives. So here's how I do it. Okay, so obviously the first step is you want to make sure it's laying flat. So I like to lay it flat on the counter. Make sure all the seams are even and they're lining up. And I'll start with this sleeve first. So again, make sure the seams are lined up, the shirt is flat, there's no wrinkles, bumps, all of that in it. And then you obviously want some super sharp scissors, right? And I'm just gonna cut right along the seam, right on the inside of it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to worry about making sure that the line is straight, because when you wash it, it's going to curl a little bit. So that's the nice thing about it, is you don't have to be perfect with it. Okay, so then I'm going to cut the other sleeve same way. Okay, now I'm going to cut out the neck, and this one I think I am going to add a V in it, so I'll show you how to do that. So you can just start anywhere and just cut all the way on the inside of that seam. Okay, now the neck's cut out, so now I'm going to cut the V, and you can make this as big or as small as you like. And then I'm also going to cut the bottom off of this one as well. And that one's done. So fast, so easy, and it gives such a completely different look. And there you go. There is a quick, fast, easy way to distress your tees, give them a completely different look, and I promise you will love them. So don't be afraid to cut up your brand new tee, and I can't wait to see them. So make sure you share them. Thanks, guys.